Juergen Meyer is head of Euroland Equities at SEB Asset Management, and he joins us live from Frankfurt. Thank you so much for joining us. Now, in terms of the high-end auto market, what actually attracts you into that sector? It seems that a lot of the times, even if we're looking at a recession or at least slow growth, it's the people's, the richer part of the population that suffers less.
Well, first of all, we are only talking about premium manufacturers. And what differentiates premium manufacturers from the rest of the automobile industry is that the premium manufacturers are specialized on clients that have money and are willing to spend it on cars.
And does this actually mean that, this is going to be the high end of Daimler, but also any other desirable car manufacturer? So it's the Aston Martins, it's the Ferraris.
You are right, but what differentiates a BMW, Audi and Daimler from the latter is economies of scale and size. If you compare the 1.5 million cars BMW produces with around about 5,000 cars a Ferrari produces, BMW has a clear cost advantage over these small luxury producers.
What about some of the luxury car makers coming from Asia? Because it seems that it's the countries that grow the most, so the emerging markets, the Chinese, that are also producing more and more millionaires.
You're right, but even the Asian millionaires prefer to buy a BMW or Mercedes compared to the Asian manufacturers. What differentiates the German manufacturers from their Asian competitors is their brands, which are established over decades. There is a high barrier of entry for new competitors to enter this business because you need a certain brand image, which to build up takes decades.
Yeah, and Juergen, I know you don't only focus on cars, so with the same principle of actually focusing on emerging markets where there's growth, but also focusing on the high end because people that have money are less likely to lose it than the ones that are seeing their budget squeezed. Does that apply to all kinds of sectors that you're looking for? To luxury, watches that you're also liking?
Yes, I like these as well, and if you look at it in a more general way, I like market-leading consumer brands.
Consumer brands, but again, is it scaled or tailored to the luxury end, or is it all consumer brands?
It's all consumer brands. I would like to be invested, for instance, in the Coca-Cola as well.
All right, Juergen, thank you so much. Juergen Meyer there.